The future scope is very clear. That is why you all are here, right? The reality that we'll have to understand, and
If a student to be ready for placement, there is a very important ingredient called personality. I'll take 2 minutes. If you are tall, do you have a better personality?
No, sir.
If you are putting on branded clothes, do you have a better personality?
No, sir.
If you are speaking Oxfordian English like the way I do you have a better personality?
Definitely not.
Not. Then what is personality?
What is your behavior toward others?
Yes.
And what the manner you have?
Personality is something of everything.
Yes, sir.
Right? It is leadership, it is communication skills, it is individual confidence, it is how you present yourself, how you walk, how you respond, how you sit. Right? Now, most part of it is given to you prior to MBA by your family, by your environment, by your education. But what MBA does to you is, besides giving you professional knowledge, in institutions, they carry out something called skill development, they carry out something called soft skills training. Their personality is never developed in the confines of a classroom. The personality is developed on the play field, being outside, discussing, group dynamics, right? So therefore, I ensure that, well, as far as I'm concerned, that you go for a morning walk, that you play games with me. As I did mention in my last presentation, I said 75 years old by mistake, but actually I'm 75 years young. So you will have to be playing all that. So let the Vice Chancellor look after the academics and the others look after your development of personality. You want the best, but remember, the company which is coming, the organization which is coming to select you, they also want the best. If I have 95 percentile and you have 85 percentile, there is no assurance that you will not get a better salary than me. So salary and your score, there is no linear relationship. The relationship is in personality.
I can give you an example of Harsha Bhugle. You know Harsha Bhugle?
Yes.
Who is he?
Commentator.
He's a commentator. Okay. But what he did in his young age?
MBA.
MBA from where?
Ahmedabad.
He is an MBA from IIM Ahmedabad.
Yes, sir.
So do you think his MBA, he visited his MBA?
I don't think so.
Why?
Because he developed skill in IM that he used.
Yes. So that is the main purpose of doing MBA. MBA will give you, will teach you some skills. It is actually a process of 2 years, rigorous process of 2 years, where you will develop some skills.
2 साल थोड़ा और रिग्रेस, इनफैक्ट आप ऐसे समझिए कि 10 साल की चीज आपको 2 साल में सिखाई जा रही है. सो आप अगला 10 साल जो धीरे धीरे सीखते हैं आपको सडनली 2 साल में क्रश करके बनाया जाता है, ठोक बजाकर, राइट? सो इट इज हाउ द कंपनी कम्स यू एंड पिक्स यू अप विद द सैलरीज व्हिच यू वांट टू टेक अप.
MBA education is actually getting transformed every year. It is no more a conventional type of management education is required in today's environment, because business practices are very dynamic and industries are kept changing their practices.
And here's the thing, managing expectations is very important, and not just managing other people's expectations, but managing your people's expectations. Irfan Khan always used to say, there's 2 actors inside me. One is acting, the other is watching. Be your interviewer, right? So when you're doing MBA, you should be your own interviewer. Manage your interviewer's expectations completely. Interview yourself. Be a devil's advocate. Why you should not you good? So before the other person, the interviewer asks this, why you should get that job, you should ask yourself, why should I get this job? And the second thing is, why do you even want to do an MBA? Do you want to bring a positive change? And it is not about bringing a positive change to your wallet only. Your wallet. Oh, my bank balance is 2. I wanted 200 million. That is not a positive change. But how you bring a positive change to the outside world? And that's in that vein we talk about sustainability nowadays.
And everybody spoke about positivity, everybody spoke about happiness. Yes, we should spread positivity, we should spread happiness. That makes life smooth going indeed. And all the message that we give and which I want to give you now is, if you see somebody without a smile, please give him or her one of yours. It will make you go through MBA very smooth.
Can we have one good round of applause for you guys? Yes.